You're my favorite person, and that's why I love you. You're my favorite person, yeah. Always thinking of you. And I want you to see who I am. And I pray You tell me all the time. There's just something in the way that you look in my eyes. I just can't turn away. The look on your face is making me stay. Don't call me up, don't ask to stay. But even if I ask you, you're gonna do it anyway. Swore that you changed, at least that's what you said. But maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Messing, messing. Oh, you keep messing with my head. Maybe I would be better off without you in my life. I feel trapped inside your cage, and you threw a key away, and there's just no escape. That's what you're telling me. That's what you're telling me. So don't call me up, don't ask to stay. But even if I ask you, you're gonna do it anyway. Swore that you changed, at least that's what you said. But maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Messing, messing. Messing with my head. You said you never lied to me, telling me that you cared. But now the truth is plain to see. You never cared about me.
Okay, but like seriously, what does she have that I don't?
Don't call me up, don't ask to stay. But even if I ask you, you'll do it anyway. Told me that you changed, at least that's what you said. But maybe this is my fault. You keep messing with my head. Messing, messing. Messing with my head.
Filled up my tank last week and it cost me barely at the machine. Swiped another 40. Driving around town to get all my thoughts out. Clearing my head needs an hour past sundown. Slipping away down the interstate. Couldn't tell you my ETA. Well, that's okay. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different, I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I'll know when it's safe to turn around and head home. Hands out the window, D&D on my phone. Actively checking the mirror behind me. Not a siren in sight, no, the dark, it's blinding. When I'm out on the road, it's me riding solo. Behind the wheel I go, slipping away down the interstate. Couldn't tell you my ETA, but that's okay. I'm driving these roads on a daily basis. Tonight this is different, I'm going through phases. Maybe I'm cynical for running, pushing in speeds I shouldn't be going. I'm driving through zip codes to get to a place it doesn't exist, but I'll know when it's safe to turn around and head home. Hands out the window, D&D on my phone. I've got the moon on my left and it's chasing me an album. Should I turn around now? I'm driving through zip code, zip code.